This is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the browser hijacker called readytodistribute.com. This site, readytodistribute.com, is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It actually is a browser hijacking website, and when you submit any search queries, you get the results by some other fake search engines that have not been chosen by users initially. This hijacker called readytodistribute.com is spread through integration with many free applications. In most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If it was somehow added to your Google Chrome, you need to fix your browser by accessing the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. You need to remove any junk sites if the Allow button was clicked, as mentioned in this readytodistribute.com pop-ups. Also, be sure to remove any unwanted browser extensions by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions. And finally, to be convinced that the system is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start researching your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.